30, La Consolacion College of Daet Incorporated, F. Pimentel Avenue, Daet, Camarines Norte. President, Sister Angelita J. Sagun, OSA. Corps Commander, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel George Daniel T. De Velez. Corps XO, Cadet Major Carl Justin Tabura. Corps Commander, Corps S1, Cadet Major Princess Doreen Parillos. Corps S2, Cadet Major Jada Odley de Mesa. Corps SD, Cadet Major Via Joseph Posadas. Corps S4, Cadet Major Joaquin Caleb de Vesa. Corps S7, Cadet Major Lovely May Castro. Major Leader, Frances Antonia R. Obozan. Band Leader, Lance Justin A. Laviste. Company Commander, Cadet Captain Nicolas Scott Lahoy-Lahoy. Company XO, Cadet Captain Justin Keith Zamudio. First Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Romel Ahero. Second Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Maria Mona Magana. CAT Facilitator, Sergeant Aaron A. Saludes, Philippine Army Reserve. Band Advisor Coordinator, Kenneth Navea. Band Master Trainer, GB Dilanco. Assistant Band Trainer, Renzo Hinilo. Teacher Chaperon, Virginia Pasatiempo and Michelle Villa. Entry number 30, La Consolacion College of Daet Incorporated, F. Pimentel Avenue, Daet, Camarines Norte.